Hi guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. I know it's hectic, up and down, whatnot. I know this vlog is probably going to be all over the place. I don't know where this vlog is leading us. I don't know what's going to be happening in it, but we're going along with the flow. But so far I think it's been good. I just finished my shift at work. Today is Friday. It is 5 minutes to 9 a.m. It is Black Friday as well, so I want to get into town and see what I can grab. Hopefully it won't be so full, but I think it might be very full. So I want to go to a specific shop called Stearns for jewelry. I need to buy jewelry as a gift for one of my cousins for the coming weekend, but I'll tell you more about that on the other side, or rather that is in the coming days. Okay, I'll let you know. But let's go into town. There's a couple of things I want to check out, and then I'm taking you guys with me. So yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna lie when I say I moved on. I cry when I hear our favorite song. And I would like just to bury my feelings now. It's an honest try. I guess I'm trying my way to let go, but all I get feels like refolding. And I would like you to marry me, don't let go.
Hi guys, so yeah, I look like a farm girl. Hi guys, so I just got back from town. Oh guys, the lighting in this place is very bad. Let me try maybe this way. Okay, so I just got back. Let me show you what I bought. I'm super hungry, so I bought some KFC. I just want to eat, have my lunch, and clean my house and rest. Okay, but let me show you what I managed to get that is on the Black Friday, guys. And I'm also never going into town on a Black Friday. Biggest mistake of my life. It is so full, you get overwhelmed, people are bumping into you, everybody's in a hurry. Yo guys, hectic. Okay, so let me start with the biggest purchase of them all. I did manage to get what I've always wanted for a while, this Nespresso coffee machine maker, whatever you call it, Nespresso mini. I will do a proper unboxing that is a bit later because I really want to try it out and see what the coffee will taste like. So yeah, I got this. Sorry, some water spilled here or something in the car. And then I got these 3 at Spar for like $65. The machine cost me, let's see guys, I forgot how to vlog. I even forgot how to do these things. The machine cost me $2,000. It was on special, yeah. And then at Woolies, this I didn't get from Woolies. I went into Jet Home and I got this water bottle from Jet Home. I'm going to post it on my Instagram as well for people who are interested to know that it's actually really cool. It's plastic. It's got a gold top. And it is written, dreams don't work unless you do. It says, believe you can and you're halfway there. This will definitely encourage me to drink more water. I had the plastic water bottle a while ago, the glass one I mean, but from Checkers, but it broke. Yeah, that's the thing with glass, it breaks. This is plastic. I think this is gonna last me for quite some time. And what else did I get from Woolies? I really wanted to try this I wanted to try this beef paw flavored noodles, so I got one of these. I don't know if I like it, but I think it's worth a try. At Woolies I spent what, $600. Yeah, $585. I also got some frozen yogurt. This is my absolute favorite. And I just got the vanilla and chocolate flavors. I love this. Yeah, they're 4 in 1 pack. I also got some pink salt. I wanted this because of this as well. And I got some penne. And in the other Woolies, I got shoes, summer shoes that is. I got these ones, and these cost me what, 220, 230. Yeah, these are mine. Don't worry about me putting everything on the counter, guys. I'm gonna clean it. I also got these type, and then I got these type as well. I know one pair is for my daughter, so I know one pair is for Nahima. These all cost me $230 each. Let's just see. Yeah, this is $230. This one is also these ones are also $230. And then I showed you these ones, $230. I can't wait to get my nails done and put on these shoes for the summer. Also, I'll be going to the coast pretty soon, so I think these will do for the coast. And I have some Coke. And I got some nuggets. Guys, these are so good. I didn't know KFC does these spicy nuggets, zinger nuggets as well. They are super good. They are so good. I had one on the way. This is my second one. They are so good. Sorry, I got zinger burger. I'm not planning on cooking today. It's a Friday, so it's takeout day. And I got these Streetwise 3.
It was just to begin to live this life of thanksgiving and to begin to thank God. And I started noticing an anointing coming in all the time. And then I started seeing supernatural things taking place around me. And something so simple to our
We never stand a
you're feeling, then I don't stand a chance. Oh, oh,
Hi guys, hi, how's everybody doing? We've come to the end of this vlog. I know I look totally different again. I'm coming from a production, and we had a shoot this afternoon. I tried my best to vlog, but I couldn't because my phone battery was quite low, and it was just an issue to get a charger and charge it, even just an adapter to charge it, because at production every plug has got a purpose. So that was the difficulty. But I'll tell you guys in the future what the shoot was about, or what the production was about. It's something for television, and it's going to be on air on TV locally here in Namibia pretty soon. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I don't know how good it was for you. It's been such a long time since I actually vlogged, and it was quite difficult for me to do so, but I hope one or two things were good. And I just wanted to finish off this vlog here. I'm starting another vlog because I'm traveling this weekend to the coast again. So I really want to vlog that trip as well, and I want to bring you guys along on the ride. It is December, so you might as well Vlogmas and whatnot. Yeah, might as well join the crew, the hype, and do the things that need to be done. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and until you see me on the next vlog, have yourselves a great one. Have a great day, have a great time, and thank you so much. Please do subscribe. I know things will get better. This is just the first vlog after so many months of actually not vlogging, and I know things are gonna get better. So please do subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what you want to see in my vlogs and all of that. But thank you so much for those of you who always come back, and until you see me, have yourselves a good one. Oh, by the way, I think I'll tell you about this week also, this hair in the vlog that I'm starting now. I just got this wig on Black Friday. I think it's the hair that I ordered that I was telling you guys about. I don't know how it suits me, but I kind of like the short hair vibes. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until the next vlog, have a good. Oh, I also got my nails done. Yo guys, hey, I got my nails done. Let me just show you. Focus on my camera. Okay, I hope you guys can see. These are my nails. I'll put a snippet of it in the vlog as well, but I got my nails done. And what else did I say I was gonna do in the vlog? Guys, I know it's probably gonna be very Tiamakar, but enjoy and subscribe. Thank you.